Are you considering building a home in the Philippines? This video will explore essential construction standards you need to know. Let's dive into some construction practices in the country. Many vloggers share their experiences building homes, often showcasing their builders hard at work. This might seem informative, but be cautious. Some vloggers focus more on views than on factual content. A recent vlog highlighted critical components, like the septic tank system. A septic tank is designed to separate solid and liquid waste. It holds sewage for a period, aiding in decomposition. Over time, bacteria within the tank break down waste, creating a crust while clarifying the liquid. Typically, septic tanks are placed underground and consist of multiple chambers. Wastewater is treated in these chambers before it flows out into a soakaway. This soakaway usually consists of a perforated pipe that allows treated water to soak into the soil, promoting natural filtration. But what happens if your septic tank malfunctions? A handy trick is to introduce bacteria back into the tank. Surprisingly, a whole dead chicken can help revive these beneficial microbes. Historically, the design for septic tanks in the Philippines was subpar. Older models had gravel bottoms, mixing wastewater with freshwater resources nearby. This raised significant health concerns. The government has addressed this, enforcing stricter regulations for design and maintenance. As an expat, do your own research. Don't blindly accept outdated practices. Now, let's compare this to water safety standards. In the West, cleanliness is a top priority. This over-sanitization has weakened our stomachs, making us susceptible to local bacteria when living abroad. Expect some initial discomfort as your body adjusts to the new environment. Next, let's cover the water system in homes. Construction standards often rely on mains water or a well. However, some expats are misled into purchasing expensive water treatment systems for sanitizing water destined for toilets. This can lead to unnecessary costs, especially if you're still buying bottled drinking water. Taking a practical approach to water systems can save money. Consider installing separate systems for your black water and gray water. The gray water from sinks can be filtered and reused for gardening. For mains and well water, install a holding tank designed for good pressure. A basic filtering system can remove larger particles before the water reaches your taps. Additionally, under-sink filters for kitchen and bathroom faucets can ensure your drinking water is safe. This mindful approach allows for better management of household resources while promoting health. Remember, just because a method has always been used doesn't mean it's the best. Stay informed and responsible as an expat, and contribute positively to the community that welcomes you. If you found this information helpful, like and subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore more construction tips in the Philippines.